Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck, the enigmatic relationship amidst divorce rumors. The world of celebrity relationships is often shrouded in mystery and speculation, and the recent rumors surrounding Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck have been no exception. During a panel in Mexico City for her upcoming film, Atlas, Lopez remained tight-lipped when asked about the divorce rumors, leaving fans and media outlets buzzing with anticipation for confirmation or denial. In this article, we dive into the intriguing relationship between Lopez and Affleck, the recent developments surrounding their rumored divorce, and their public appearances that have left fans wondering about the status of their marriage. Refusing to address the rumors. Jennifer Lopez's refusal to address the divorce rumors during the panel in Mexico City has only fueled the speculation surrounding her relationship with Ben Affleck. When asked to confirm or deny the rumors, Lopez coyly replied, "You know better than that." Her evasive response has left fans and the media wondering about the truth behind the rumors, as they eagerly await further insights into the couple's current situation. A press tour amidst separation rumors. While Jennifer Lopez has been on a press tour for her upcoming film, Atlas, Ben Affleck has been photographed separately in Los Angeles. The separate appearances of the couple have given rise to speculation that their marriage is indeed on the rocks. Sources close to Affleck have claimed that he has come to the realization that their marriage is over and is actively searching for a new home. These rumors have only heightened the curiosity surrounding the current state of their relationship. Putting on a united front? Despite the swirling rumors, Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck have been spotted together, seemingly putting on a united front. The couple attended a movie event in Santa Monica, where they appeared happy and supportive of each other. This public display of togetherness has left fans wondering if the divorce rumors hold any truth or if the couple is simply navigating through a rough patch. The enigmatic nature of their relationship has kept fans guessing and eagerly awaiting further developments. The history of J.Lo and Ben Affleck. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck's relationship has been the subject of intense media scrutiny ever since they began dating in the early 2000s. The couple's whirlwind romance captured the attention of the public, and they even got engaged in 2002. However, their highly publicized relationship came to an end when they called off their engagement in 2004. After years of separate journeys and other relationships, Lopez and Affleck found their way back to each other and surprised fans when they rekindled their romance in 2021. They got married in July 2022, marking a new chapter in their love story. The intrigue of uncertainty. The uncertainty surrounding Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck's relationship has captivated fans and media outlets alike. The couple's refusal to address the divorce rumors directly has only heightened the intrigue surrounding their situation. With each public appearance, fans analyze their body language and search for signs of the true state of their relationship. The uncertainty surrounding the couple's future has made their every move the subject of intense speculation, keeping fans on the edge of their seats. The relationship between Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck has once again become the talk of the town amid divorce rumors. As fans eagerly await confirmation or denial, the couple's refusal to address the speculation has only intensified the intrigue surrounding their relationship. Their recent separate appearances and public displays of unity have left fans wondering about the true status of their marriage. The enigmatic nature of their relationship reminds us that celebrity love stories are often filled with twists and turns, and only time will reveal the truth behind the rumors. Until then, fans will continue to follow their every move, hoping for clarity and a glimpse into the future of J.Lo and Ben Affleck.